Robotic vacuum cleaners are designed to operate autonomously. They can be programmed to clean your home at specific times, providing a convenient solution for daily maintenance. If you're considering purchasing a robot vacuum and are unsure which one to choose, then watch this video until the end. After numerous tests and research, we've compiled a list of the top 3 robot vacuums for 2024 to help you make a cost-effective purchase. Remember that for more information about the vacuums mentioned in the video, we've provided links in the description and pinned in the first comment with the most up-to-date prices. By accessing them, you'll be redirected to the official Amazon website, where you can make your purchase securely and enjoy fast delivery to your home. And if you enjoy watching videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button because every week, we bring you the best shopping guides and reviews of top products. Ropvacnic A1. Are you still tired of manually cleaning your house or concerned about pet hair scattered on the floor? Then the Ropvacnic Robot Vacuum can help. With a 3,000 Pascal cyclone cleaning system, it boasts enhanced and robust suction power, increasing cleaning efficiency by 30%. Through phone control, you can perform personalized cleanings anywhere, anytime, including switching cleaning modes, monitoring real-time status, setting scheduled cleaning, and more. Measuring only 2.99 inches in height, along with a sophisticated detection system, the mini robot vacuum accesses and effortlessly cleans under beds, furniture, and other hard-to-reach places. Its dual electric rotating side brushes sweep and collect dust and hidden hair in edges and corners that are often overlooked and neglected. This robot vacuum is designed for pet owners, efficiently vacuuming dust, dog and cat hair, crumbs, and various debris on various surfaces such as wood floors and carpets. Once set up, the robot will automatically start cleaning, avoid obstacles, navigate easily through your home, and return to the charging station when finished. Additionally, it features 6 cleaning programs and comes with a remote control. iRobot Roomba 694. The Roomba 694 is a great way to start cleaning your home more intelligently. Simply schedule it to clean dirt, dust, and daily debris with the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant. Its 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes collect dirt from carpets and hard floors, and its edge-sweeping brush takes care of corners and edges. This smart robot vacuum learns your cleaning habits to offer personalized schedules, while Google Assistant and Alexa allow you to start cleaning with just the sound of your voice. It has a full set of advanced sensors that enable the Roomba to navigate under and around furniture, and Cliff Detect technology prevents it from falling downstairs. Furthermore, dirt detection sensors alert the robot to dirtier areas of your home, such as high-traffic spots, and clean them more thoroughly. The iRobot Roomba 694 recharges automatically and operates for up to 90 minutes before docking and recharging the battery. Shark AI Ultra. And the first place goes to this Shark robot vacuum. Its powerful suction collects dirt and debris on all types of floors, tackling even the toughest messes in your home. With Matrix Clean, the robotic vacuum cleans in a precision matrix grid, making multiple passes over dirt and debris for deep cleaning coverage. Its bagless base requires no additional purchase of disposable bags, like traditional robots with auto-emptying, supporting up to 60 days. This Shark robot vacuum features a self-cleaning brush that removes debris, hair, and dirt from all surfaces, designed to collect more hair and is anti-hair. The 360 degrees LiDAR vision maps your home quickly and accurately, allowing your robot to clean methodically, detecting and avoiding objects in its path, day or night, adapting to daily changes in the home. With powerful vacuum suction, Shark's self-cleaning brush roll, and auto-empty system, the robot effortlessly captures pet hair, dirt, and debris. Moreover, with this robot vacuum, you can start cleaning on demand or activate cleaning with the sound of your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. So, we've reached the end of our selection of the best robot vacuums to buy on Amazon. If this video helped you, then leave a like and share it with a friend. Also, don't forget to check the links in the description for updated prices of the products mentioned in the video. Thanks for watching, and until the next video.